Property tax exemptions save qualifying homeowners significant money on property taxes. Untitled makes it simple to confirm they were received and correct anything that was missed for a refund. If you're a Cook County homeowner, it's definitely something you should take advantage of. My name is Jane, and I'm going to show you how you can do it with Untitled's two-step online correction process. Step 1 starts by completing a web form at entitledrefunds.com. If no refund is due, Untitled will send you an email after this step letting you know that no exemptions were missed. There's zero cost, and you gain satisfaction knowing you didn't miss out on property tax savings. If missed exemptions are corrected, you can receive a property tax refund worth hundreds to thousands of dollars. In this example, we'll assume you qualify so you can see how easy the full correction process is. After submitting the web form, that's the end of step 1. You will receive an email confirming that Untitled's experts are working on your case. Step 2 begins after the review is complete. You will receive an email with your expected property tax refund amount and access to a Refund Progress screen. The email explains that there is one more step for you to complete in the Refund Progress portal. The portal offers clear instructions. It allows you to quickly provide what is needed for Untitled to complete the refund process. You will be prompted to electronically sign a refund agreement and a form required by Cook County. That's the end of step 2. Your next task will be cashing your refund check worth hundreds to thousands of dollars. Untitled updates you by email at key points throughout the refund process. You can also monitor the progress of your refund by accessing the Refund Progress screen at any time. Every step of the way, Untitled is available to answer questions. To get started or learn more, visit www.entitledrefunds.com.